Inside of Optimal, we have what I like to call a highlight accent available to all of the titles and headlines throughout the theme. Now, this is something that you do not have to use. You can enable it or disable it on a per headline basis, okay? For example, let's say that we have the featured collections here and you do not want that headline to appear there. We're just going to go down here to the featured collection. And then we have the highlight option here where it says show highlight. And then we have the ability to change the color of the highlight and the opacity of that highlight. Okay, so I can simply just turn it off if we don't want to use that, and we'll see that it goes away. If I turn it on, we'll see that it goes below it again. Okay, we have the opacity. If I turn it up, we can see it's a dark red and so forth, and we have the ability to change the color red itself. Okay, now we have this highlight option where you can enable it or disable it on every single headline, title, things like that. So I could have it on featured collections, but then I could turn it off on my trending designs here. I could have it on my testimonials, but I could turn it off my image overlay here, okay? And all you have to do is go to each one of these sections individually to turn it on, change the color, and so forth, okay? So if I click on testimonial here, on the right-hand side, you'll see that we have the highlight option that we can customize for this individual section, okay? The image banner here, we're going to go to the title, Hot Under 30, and you'll see that we have this individual specific highlight settings for this, okay? Same thing for our product pages. Let's go ahead and load up one of our product pages here. You'll notice that the product title is also highlighted with our little red that we have here. Again, if you would like to change this or turn it off for your product pages, you're going to go into your title. And then again, you have the ability to change this, turn it off, and so forth. And lastly, we have the same thing on our actual page templates. If we go into the Contact Us page template, again, it's a highlight. We click on the page itself, and you have the ability to change it. Same thing for our other pages, About Us, for example. Well, right now, inside of our About Us page, we have a image added with the title. We are hiding the actual page name, but if we were to turn that on, you'll see we have About Us with, right now it has a purple by default. We click on page, and we can change that to whatever we wanted, adjust the opacity, and so forth, okay? But we're hiding that right now on that page. So the highlights can easily be turned on, turned off on a per section basis, and that's how you customize the highlight inside of Optimal.